Hello, welcome back to Rev Endurance Sports and another edition of what is in our stand today. Today I have a bike that I featured in a previous video, featured is an interesting word, about very bad corrosion on his front derailleur. So what we're going to do is take a look at this front derailleur so that you have an idea of what delamination looks like, which is strange because I've never seen this on a Dura-Ace component. If you look right inside here, where there it is. Can you see that delamination? It's in really bad. And I've never seen this on a Dura-Ace component where it delaminates like that. There's also corrosion again on his cassette. His rear derailleur has got just the typical signs of riding in rainy or wet areas. Contrary to popular belief, you can still purchase 9100 brand new parts direct from Shimano. To get this job done, we're going to remove the chain to clean it, but you could, if you wanted to, on the back side of this derailleur cage, there is a screw that you could, see that there? And there's a better angle. You can take that derailleur cage apart, get the derailleur off, put it back on, and not have to break the chain. But in this case, we will break the chain. We will clean it for him and some other parts of the bike as well. The back part of the bike, of course, gets all the splashing, so that's the part that needs to get cleaned the most. Front part of the bike doesn't look too bad. So the challenge that this customer has is that he rides, 95% of his rides are on Pacific Coast highways, so lots of salt, spray and stuff always on the ground, sand of course, which eats away at a drivetrain, and then there's also another bike path. So between those two areas, he exposes his bike to an enormous amount of salt, and salt is very corrosive.